In this video, we are going to see that if you want to enable or disable this error checking message or error checking rules, which is shown in little green marking on the corner of the cell. And if you click on it, it will show you this caution that whatever error it is, whatever problem it is, whether we want to convert it to a number or maybe we need to ignore this error. So if you want to completely disable that, or let's say you want to enable that, here's how you can do it. First of all, just go to the file menu from the top left and then just click on the options right at the bottom. From here, you will get into the Excel options. From here, just click on formulas. And here, if we scroll down a little bit, you want to disable the error checking, just uncheck this, enable background error checking, click OK, and it will remove or get rid of all the error highlights. But if you want to re-enable that, you can enable that from here, and also you can change to any color you want, and you can also set some new rules for that. Here is all the error checking rules. So for example, you only want to highlight if there is a proper error, not when the inconsistent column formula is in the tables. That means sometimes Excel highlights a particular column results as error or highlight it in ribbon, but it is just inconsistent with the other columns. Maybe in other columns there is some other formula, and maybe in that column where the error checking rules are highlighted, it is using some other formula. So if you want to enable or disable any of these options to suit according to your needs, you can enable and disable from here. And that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.